The weekend is approaching and you're planning to have family and friends over, but the dishwasher suddenly goes on the fritz and you're frantically trying to find a local dishwasher repairman. If you're watching this video, chances are you have a problem with your dishwasher. There are many potential problems associated with the dishwasher, and many can be resolved through effective repair. Call us, let us know what the issue is, and we will do our best to get a repair technician out to your home really fast to take care of your dishwasher. When you need dishwasher repair, there is nothing better than the convenience of having a local dishwasher repairman near you and get you up and running quickly and affordably. Pick up the phone and call us to schedule an appointment today.